Just try to come here and 19. Let's move on. We already done this. This one is running topic. And upcoming topic. After stopwords removal, the next topic name is called as a POS. What is the topic name, sir? POS tagging actual. What is the topic name? POS tagging. Ensure that make a note on this. There was one student, he got an offer. Maybe out of happiness, he dropped a mail to me. Even I'm double happy. Let me show you the mail. Call started. Recently, Accenture has a huge openings actually. Accenture company has a huge openings. All right. Fine then. So let me have a, or maybe when he sent, just 1 hour ago. So, Array Daniel, I hope you're doing well and I'm 4 p.m. batch and I'm happy to share that I recently secured in job at so-and-so company. And as a, what is the role, sir? Junior data scientist through walk-in interview and so-and-so 18th. But there was a 3 years bond. There was what exactly? Being a fresher, that is okay. Bond break as well, if you should know. So can you please suggest me? So whether it is good or not actually. So I need to walk through, but I didn't walk through actually. He shared the offer letter. I'm sorry, this is the confidential. I should not reveal. There is one small biscuit for me actually, right? I wanted to sincerely thank you that your guidance and support. What exactly, sir? Throughout my learning journey, your training played a crucial role actually. Trust me, what we're discussing is the best. And just now I sent a mail just 26 minutes back. Hatish, congratulations. I wanted to talk with you, share your number. I will talk with him. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. I'm not asking you to call to this number and talk this person. Okay, good. People are getting jobs, man. So recently, just 2 days back, Accenture company has a huge openings. If you're a fresher, actually, I do have a separate WhatsApp group, and I have seen there are huge openings. Be strong in subject. What my role will be, I can share your profile to the right person. Then next steps is you have to take care. It will be shortlist and they will take interview actually. Okay. So believe your hard work and move on actually. Don't believe any other thing. And if you are really very good in subject, I'm sure you will get a job. You will get a job. Definitely there is a one job for you. You need to search. Where is that job? Okay. Good. We are good to go. Shravan Kumar sir, just I'm kidding. No, sir. Just I'm kidding. I know students have a great respect towards to my session. Not all appreciations are biscuits, sir. Good. Just kidding, sir. Just kidding, actually. Kidding. I know. No, many students are having good rapport, actually. Good rapport with towards to my teaching. Towards to Naresh Shetty, not my teaching, Naresh Shetty. Okay. Thank you. Blessed to be work here, actually, Daniel. Okay. Good. Fine. I'm sure. Maybe please make a note on this one. So if anyone is asking, definitely they will ask actually. Let me know. Imagine I have given text to data. 10 paragraphs I have given. Best example, go to the pandas. CSV is the data. JSON file is the data. Now in a NLP, group of paragraphs is nothing but a data. Group of, we are going to work actually. If somebody has given text data, what is your role? What you can do? What is your role? What you can do? What we can do, sir? These are all things we need to do. First, we need to load the text data. First, what we need to do? We need to load the text data. The next one, tokenization. Apply the tokenization. What tokenization would you have? Sentence tokenization. What tokenization is important? And you have to clean the text actually. Special symbols we have to delete, and sometimes I just wanted to extract the only numbers, or else I wanted to remove the numbers. Filter alphabets. These are all important actually. Okay. The next one is called as a stemming. What do you mean by stemming? Finding the root word. Finding. But stemming is not up to the mark. And to overcome that one, lemmatization came actually. Lemmatization is really very good. After that, you need to be understand stop word removal. What word removal? Imagine if somebody is talking with you. On an average, you need to focus on important words like is, so, that, hi, the. These are all words not much important. We have to list out stop words, and we need to apply word tokenization, and we need to combine actually where exactly which is not a stop word, we have to filter that word. We covered these are all. The next one will be POS tagging. In a Python, you have created a string. Daniel is teaching data science. But Python cannot recognize what is Daniel, and Python cannot recognize what is the meaning of is, what is the meaning of teaching. But NLP can recognize. Indirectly, NLP can what exactly recognize. If you are saying I'm a Daniel, NLP will understand, okay, this person is a human. This person is what exactly mean? Human actually. It will understand. Now after that, replacing and correcting the words, these are all things I have here, So here we are hard coding the text, means a sentence, but the text in the text file will be how to load actually. Exactly, that is the next topic, sir. Next topic, sir. Can I show you? Go to the material, use case actually, and here use case, and we are saving this whole 3 paragraphs in a text actually. We are loading. Rajesh Garu, hope you understand, right? So imagine, yeah, good. Upcoming topic. Where are we? What I'm talking? Yeah. POS tagging. Which one is a verb? Which one is a noun? Which one is a pronoun, preposition? These are all things actually. Anyway, maybe here we already covered the topic, which is so called as a converting lowercase to uppercase to lowercase, removing the numbers. Punctuations we already done. White spaces. How to remove? Strip method. The next one, POS. Information extraction, right? Removing the punctuations, removing the numbers, and removing the white spaces. Information extraction has many applications, including collocations. By theory, I have missed actually. I know, I remembered. But example I covered. Let me explain the theory. What do you mean by theory? Daniel, collocations. Collocations are the pair of words. This is what? Pair. Sometimes instead of single word, actually, two words plays important role actually. Two words plays important role. Collocations are the pair of words and occurring together many times in a paragraphs. It is calculated by the number of those pair occurring together. Best example, if you wanted to find out which word is important, which word is not important actually, take that word, you have to calculate previous word and next word also. That is called as a pair. That is called as a pair actually. Best example, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. The common pattern actually. Once hello came, 90% chances if it is a morning, good morning. If somebody is typing good, immediately next word can be morning actually, if it is a morning time. If it is evening time, so good morning together, right? It is calculated by the number of those pairs occurring together to the overall word count of the paragraph. We can say that the finding collocations requires calculating the frequencies of words and their appearance in the context of other words actually. Yeah, so we can say that the finding the collocations requires the calculating the frequency of the words and their appearance in the context of other words. There are two ways, man. Bigrams and trigrams. Do you think 4 grams and 5 grams? No, there is no. Collocation can be categorized into two types. The first one combines two words and trigrams combines three words. Bigrams or trigrams provides the meaningful and useful features for the future extraction stage. Imagine there is a text data. You just wanted to extract which are all useful words actually. You need to apply this collocation. These are especially useful in text-based sentiment analysis. We are working this one and make a note on this one. I covered this example. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, good. I have a question for you, bigram. Maybe did you get lookup error? Lookup error is important. You should know how to fix. You should know how to fix. Okay. Maybe this example I covered yesterday. Even this one is a trigram. Now let's move on with word net. What net actually? Word net. Important, sir. Important. Theory I can read. Please be patient. See, this example is not much important. Oh, no. This is important. This is important. Important. Good. Topic name is called as a word net, not cloud net actually. Word net. Imagine this is the Daniel. This is a kind of some robo. I'm saying to the robo, what is the first word? Hello. I'm saying to the robo, hello. Then robo, how it will understand, let me tell you. When it comes to robo, there is a topic it will apply. There is a topic. The topic name is called as a word net. Okay. Robo will apply. Okay. Robo, what exactly, sir? Will apply word net to understand human language. To understand what language, man? Human language actually. Human language. I mean to say natural language. When you say hello, what happened exactly? Let me show you an example. We'll get a clarity. Come on, let's just try to run this example. I will take one example. We are accessing sub package and function we are accessing. That's okay. You can just try to print this. Make like this one is A. That's still okay. Since set or A variable. Okay, let's just try to print this. List of synset object we are going to get. Yeah, see, a list of there is one list actually. Instead of this one, think like this one is one object, and inside of this object, hello, it is giving some version number N01. You said as a hello. Hold on. I wanted to extract only this hello Daniel actually. Then what we need to do, you can just have to apply. Though anyway that one is the first word, right? 0. Then you will get output like only this part actually. Let's run this. You will get an idea. If you say hello, Robo will apply word net. Okay, it's captured hello actually. On top of this one, what it will do, sir? It will apply, it will call. Yeah. There is a one object name is called as a definition. Any idea? What is the definition? Chapan sir? Definition is what? Method. చెప్పండి సార్. Method actual. It will call method. Okay. So it is making note. First of all, word. It is capturing the word. I will explain. I will explain. Word. So we are getting. Sir, simple. First of all, what exactly you need to be understand, So so main package, think like this one is a sub package. By using sub package, you are calling the function. You are calling what exactly? Function, right? And here, whenever you are saying hello, that hello word, you can just have to pass this sin set. This one is the sin sets predefined function, right? It's so simple. Then it is returning one object. You are directly printing that one. It is being getting printing actually. Right. So if you are directly printing that one and list of sin set it is being getting printing. I just wanted to extract this one. Then list of single word right, list of single object right, and here you can apply list object has no attribute of definition actually. As of now, you can block this code. Why? Because we are calling over the list actually. We are getting an object. List of that object. Yeah, good. Daniel, I wanted to extract this one. Then here you can apply 0. That's okay. You are applying as a 0. Now this is the synset object. Chappan sir, synset object. Synsets function returns synset object. Group by method returns. Chappan sir, group by object. Here also same, the same story. Now, what exactly it will do is, it will take that object and there is a one method. Method name is called as a definition, right? Now here is a story. When you say hello, Robo will apply. What is the definition of hello? We'll get the definition. Okay, very good. What is the meaning, An expression of greeting. Chappan sir? Yeah, okay. When I say hello, oh, maybe somebody is greeting actually. Wishing, greeting actually. Then Robo will understand an express. This is something like a dictionary. And it will try to capture some examples. How it will capture, sir? There is a one method. Method name is called as a Chappan sir. Examples. Very good. Now you can just have to come here and you can just have to yeah. Now let's run this. Great idea. Nice sentence. Every morning, people's exchanged polite hellos. Hello. In India, it is not. In UK or USA, even small kids. In US especially, when you're talking about the first year, second year, third year, it's not like a first class, second class, third class. They will guide the ethics actually. How to say hello, how to say good morning, sorry, thank you. These are all they will guide actually. That's why if you touch any USA kids, actually, they will say, a small mistake happened. I'm sorry. They will say directly. In a cute way, they will say actually. Right. So every morning they exchange what exactly mean? Polite. I'm sorry for saying our education system is supposed to be small changes required. Small change. I'm not pointing. I proudly say I'm from India. But there are small changes required actually for our next generation. Okay. Yeah. Good will do will do one thing. I'm sure it's applied, right? Online team, did you understand? Now can I get a response actually? Now I'm telling to the robo, instead of hello, let me tell I'm a boy. I'm what exactly? Boy. Now robo will understand, okay, what he is saying, it will capture that word. What is the definition for boy? It will capture. And at the same time, it needs some examples to respond. Are you with me or not, sir? Sometimes meaning, instead of understanding the meaning, I need examples. I need what exactly? Examples actual. Boy. What? Can I stop? Sure, sir. Sure, boss. You see? Yeah. Yeah, just sorry. See, can you tell me what is this one? Male child. When you say you are boy, it is telling, oh, male child. Chappan sir. A youthful male person like me, actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Please don't laugh, sir. Just, yeah, good. Just kidding. Example, can you tell me the boy was a baby? I'm sorry. The baby was a boy. Good. Next one. She made the boy brush, so his teeth every night. Next, one more sentence. Most soldiers are what exactly, sir? Boys in uniform. This is seriously very great, actually. It is working like a dictionary. It is working like it is giving the meaning of the word, and dictionary may not provide examples, but it is providing examples. Conclusion of the story, the topic name is called as a word net. What is the topic name? You give any word, actually, it will just try to grab the meaning, it will just try to bring the examples to respond. What exactly meant? To respond. We'll do one thing. Let us provide here girl. I'm a girl. Think like that. Let me just try to say. How nicely it will respond, we'll see. You can give, sir. Word by word, you can cross verify. You can, if you are having a group of words. If you are having group of words, apply word tokenization, apply stop words. Remaining words, check word net actually. Got it right? This is the way we need to cross verify. Now, when you are saying girl, can you tell me, sir, a young woman? Okay, so young lady of what exactly? 18. Did you understand? You can give any word actually. I can give my name. It will recognize. Why? Because Daniel is very popular name actually. Either you are not aware or not. And especially in a uh, biblical word actually. Yeah, good. So there was in a Bible, Old Testament, a youth, yeah, who was made taken into the court of Nebuchadnezzar, and so that person was thrown into the den of lions actually, but he survived. So that library it was inbuilt. So that's what you are asking. Best example. Did you remember load underscore digits or else iris actually. Backend this function having this function what exactly holding the data. Same thing like that. Internally, best example, can I tell you? Df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Read underscore what exactly is csv? Sales 1 dot csv. Now CSV file, first CSV file having, I still remember 600 rows actually. How many? Now can I tell you this DF is holding total 600 rows. Same thing like that. This object is holding everything. This object, it was trained in such a way that that object having lot of information. Lot of information. Okay, fine. I would like to write examples, you will get an idea. First one, hello. Oh, yeah, I have given Daniel actually. Daniel. It is recognizing. My name it is recognizing. No examples as of now. You can just try to go back. WordNet. First, what is the word, sir? Any idea? Hello? And you have to provide a single word at a time. The next one. What is the next word? Boy. Next word. Girl. You can do little R&D. We got a nice response. Now let us read the theory. WordNet is a NLTK lexical database for English. Lexical database. Database means it can store a lot of the data. It can be used to find the meaning of words, similar words, opposite words, these are all. Since it is a special kind of simple interface that is present in NLTK to look up words in WordNet. To look up words in, right. So it was a simple backend, it was interface, it was defined in such a way that since at instances, objects are grouping of similar words and that express the same concept actually. You can understand. And boy, I'm giving, it is responding. Oh, good. Let us just try to provide good. This is for good sake. Good word actually. We are just trying to searching good. Benefit for your own good. What's the good of worrying actually? What's the good of what exactly? Worrying. What is opposite word? Let's try. Bad. I didn't try this. That which is below standard are expectations of ethics, Densi. So take the bad with good actually. Take the bad with what exactly, man? Good. So this example is really very good. It will understand. So the device itself, it will understand. One point I would like to say, it was a model. It was a model actually, text-based model. Yeah. Come on, are you asking anything? Wrong word, we didn't try, but let me try. Maybe it will throw error or else it will not provide anything. I didn't try, sir, seriously. Will it scold or what? Oh, it is directly telling list index out of what exactly? Range. It is not, first of all, it is not accepting actual. Did you understand? It is not accepting to provide the meaning actual. Index error, list index not. Can I provide single letter? Yeah. Wrong spelling you mean. Mhm. Let's try. A metric unit of length equal to the 1 and beneath, yeah. Li? This is the one of the model. Maybe fine-tuned models also would have. ChatGPT will use one of these models actually. So physics, in terms of the physics meaning, the light was filtered through the soft glass window actually. Some meaning it is providing, sir. Okay. So fine then. I can move on. That's it. Can you talk with me? What is the topic name? WordNet. WordNet and SynSet is a special kind of simple interface which was implemented with the NLTK. NLTK. So look up words in WordNet actually. What is NLTK? Did you install? Did you install NLTK? Hmm. Natural language toolkit. Now let's move on. Yeah. Common NLP libraries. Common NLP libraries. The first one is NLTK, Spacey, Text Block, Gensim, Pattern Framework, Hugging Face. These are all common NLP libraries. There is some processor. There is some process. Let me tell you. Components. These are all main components actually. The first one is what exactly? No, lexical analysis. Chapter. What is the first one? Lexical. Next one, syntactic. Syntactic analysis. And okay. Coordinate.synset. Hello of zero. What is the use of zero in between the list brackets actually? In between what exactly? List brackets. We'll do one thing, sir. I will show you practically, then you will get a clarity. I will show you practically. You will get a clarity. Okay? Yeah, you're right. But let me write an example. Let us create an example. Daniel, DEF M1, self, print. This is Daniel. We'll do one thing. I will create a two objects. D1 equals to Daniel. The next one, D2 equals to Daniel. Can you tell me total how many objects? Two objects. We'll do one thing. A equals to list of D1 comma చెప్పండి sir D2. Yeah, a list is such a powerful, what you can do, you can store objects information. Govinda Garu, look at my screen. From here to here, object number 1. What object actually? Daniel object. From here, yeah, D1, very good, D1. From here to here, what exactly? D2. I wanted to capture D1 object. How to capture? A of చెప్పండి sir 0. That's what you are trying to do actually. Once after you are able to capture, by using this one, you can call M1 method. That's the beauty. That's the beauty, sir. Did you understand? The one who asked the question, sir, I need response from you. A of 0. Now, make a note, back in, whenever you are calling this one, it is giving list of this object actually. I wanted to capture the first object. Perfect. That's what you need to understand. Okay. So this is the way. But good question. I appreciate actually. Where are we? Okay. Back to the session. In NLP, there are some fixed components. The first one is called as a lexical analysis. Next one, syntactic analysis, semantic analysis, discourse analysis, pragmatic analysis. Damn sure interview question. Definitely during interview they will ask actually. This is the diagram. Order is the same. Lexical, syntactic, semantic, discourse, pragmatic actually. Okay. Daniel, what do you mean by lexical? Very simple, sir. Please focus on this word. Lexical means relating to the words or vocabulary of language. You can do some word to word, how it is related. Best example, he is in his home. I'm doing work actually. I'm doing what exactly? Work. Every word, no? So relating each other. With the lexical analysis, we divide the whole chunk of the words into simple man. Word tokenization, sentence tokenization. That is a page number 1. Lexical. Just try to understand the relation between the words. After that, just try to apply tokenization topic. What topic? Tokenization. It involves the identifying and analyzing word structure. Okay. It will try to understand the each and every word actually. The next one is called as a syntactic analysis. What is the next one? Here it will understand the syntax. Grammatic. It will apply the either according to the sentence. Is it right sentence or not? It will understand actually. If it understand, best example, go to the Google. Whenever you are mistyping, it will correct you. Are you with me? Yeah, good. So they applied syntactic analysis. In syntactic analysis, it is a process of analyzing the words in the sentence. Words in the sentence. And analyzing the grammar and arranging the words in a manner that shows the relationship among the words actually. Okay. It will understand the grammar. It will analyze the words actually. So simple, sir. Lexical analysis. It will understand the relation between the words and it will apply tokenization. Chapani? Tokenization. 2 types. One is word tokenization, next one sentence token. But word tokenization is important. Next one, syntactic analysis. Simply it will apply pure grammar. Either grammatically the sentence is valid or not, it will understand. Right? Once it understand, then only it will correct if something went wrong actually. Okay. Example, let me take one small example. The shop goes to, sir, literally wrong sentence. Generally, the man goes to the house. Person goes to the house. Sir goes to the house. Madam goes to the house. It does not pass as a valid actually. Am I right? The shop, what it mean actually? The shop goes to the house. This is the invalid sentence. What exactly it applied? Grammar went wrong. Something went wrong actually. The sentence is the wrong. That is called as a syntactic analysis. Next one is called as a semantic analysis. What is the next one? Semantic. It should be semantic. I'm sorry for my spell mistake. Semantic means relating and meaning of the language. Now it will extract the meaning. Go for POS, parts of speech actually. Are you with me? What is the meaning of each word? If you want, I will give one small example. The sentence such as hot ice cream do not pass or invalid actually. Hot ice cream. Sir, generally ice cream means what exactly? It will be cold actually. But nearby there is I hope I already told, there is a cream stone nearby South Indian Mall actually. There is a one flavor, really I like very well. Naughty Death by Chocolate actually. Such a very good. Frankly speaking, that is hot ice cream actually. They will give a hot cake, over that they will pour ice cream actually. It's okay. The sentence such as a hot ice cream do not pass or invalid actually, right? Make a note on this one. Semantic analysis means what exactly, analyzing the draws and exact meaning of words. Exact meaning. What exactly this sentence is trying to talking actually. Can you tell me what is the first one? Lexical analysis. Next one, syntactic analysis. Next one, semantic analysis. Semantic. We are doing practically. Third one, discourse analysis. What do you mean by discourse analysis? This discourse means written or spoken communication. It considers the meaning of sentence before it ends actually. What it mean? The sentence such as he works at Google. Here order of the words is important actually. In this sentence, he should be the first word in a sentence actually. It will try to understand the order, first to which word, second word, third word, like that actually. Discourse analysis. It considers the meaning of the sentence before it is ending. Sir, the last one is damn sure important. Can you tell me what is that one? Pragmatic analysis. What is that? Pragmatic analysis. You can just have to come here. I will show you practically. Open ChatGPT. Whenever you are using ChatGPT, what is Python? Programming. Programming. Can you guess the next word actually? Very good. ChatGPT will do the same thing. That is called as a pragmatic analytics actually. The moment, why it's supposed to, this is something like when you're talking about the ChatGPT, when you are asking any question, it's supposed to predict your next word. If it is predicting, giving answer very quickly, it can give answer very quickly actually. Then it can search very quickly. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. Pragmatic means practical, especially when making a decisions. When making what exactly mean? Decisions actually, right? You can just have to go for in machine learning. In machine learning, what is linear? Guess the next word. Regression. Yeah, how we are predicting, ChatGPT also will predict what you are trying to ask me actually. If it is predicting, it can search very quickly the answer, it will give the result. It will give what exactly? Result actually. That is called as a taking the decision. Pragmatic means practical, especially when it making the decision. Pragmatic analysis deals with the overall communication and interpretation. Interpretation. How I need to answer future actual. It deals with deriving meaningful use of language and various situations actually. Tim, I know it is a theory, but now I am entering into the example. Are you clear till now? Sarji, online team, are you clear till now? Oh, okay, cool. Let's enter into the example. Okay. So there is one use case we are working. Good use case. Imagine if it is a pandas, we'll get a CSV file, like a sales1.csv, JSON, Excel file. Though this one is NLP, we need to get a group of paragraphs. Now there are three paragraphs. We'll do one thing. With these paragraphs, let me create one text file. The text file name is what exactly? Story underscore input. Yeah. So let me just have to create a story. Open a notepad. Yeah. Paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2. Save this one. Control S. Input. Go to the desktop and go to the coding. You can just have to. Okay. Successfully have saved a file. What is the file name? Input. Otherwise, story input. It's okay. Anything you can give. Story underscore input. That's okay. But let me change. delete this. Yeah. Now let's read the story. Daniel, what is the story? What this paragraph is talking actually? There was a small tale story. Once upon a time, there was a old mother pig actually. Okay, there was a old mother pig and had a three little pigs and kids actually. Not enough to food to feed them actually. There was a mother and facing an issue, unable to feed the kids actually. Three pigs. So when they were nowadays in a YouTube, if you open actually, people small kids they used to watch this kind of videos. Am I right or not, sir? More visualization. So when they were old enough, and mother always good, sir. Let me tell you, if mother is scolding, frankly speaking, that is good for our career actually. If mother is saying you have to some work, learn properly, they will scold. Scold in the sense, not in a rash way. They will encourage us actually. When they were old enough, she sent them out into the. But first time, let me tell you, um, when I done my graduation, I till BSc I was in my native. I used to travel on daily journey. But I went to almost to study PG, almost 400 kilometers distance actually. I joined in one college, and that is not like regular journey we cannot do actually. I have taken in the room and I started studying. Sir, once you attach with the family, suddenly some gap came. It's too difficult to bear actually. I'm unable to control. So daily, my mother, my mom, and I do have a good affection and uh, let me tell you, my mother is main role actually in my career. So she's my backbone. And 1 month I control. Then after I called to my mother, mom, I wanted to see. So that kind of affection actually. Find that. So the first, mother told please, you have to survive yourself. Go to the world actually, and you can just try to earn your food, earn coin, earn your food actually. The first little pig was very lazy like me. Do you think I'm lazy? No. First little pig, it was very lazy. He don't want to work at all. But anyway, the first pig build a house with straw material. I mean to say plastic material. For them, definitely, they need some shelter. Then out of that, first pig created a house, build a house with the straw material. And the second little pig worked a little bit harder. But it was also, somewhat, it was also too lazy. And builds his house with what exactly sticks. Can I ask you a question? First pig, what is the house structure? Plastic material. Second pig, house structure? Wood material. I need a response. First one, plastic. Next one, wood. Then they sang together and danced and played together and rest of the day actually. It's okay. They played together and they done dance really nicely actually. These are all seriously very good. Then the third little pig worked very hard actually. Out of all three, there was a third one actually. Very good, very harder and built the house with what exactly mean? Bricks, means stones. Tell me, sir. First one, plastic material. Next one, wood material. Third one, bricks. Which one is the strong? Yeah. Indirectly, the way how they construct, it talks about how good they are actually. It was study, okay, very good. House complete with fine, fireplace and chimney. There was a light also. It looked like could withstand the strongest winds. Imagine suddenly some wind came. So straw house, it may be fall down. Wood house, it may be fall down. But build house, no chance actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. This is the story. Now here, can I tell you one thing? Can I ask you dot how many times came actually? It takes a lot of time to count. And was how many times came? A how many times came? We are completely taking these three paragraphs. We are applying NLP. Let us start analyze. Let us start what exactly mean analyze actually. Are you ready? Come on, let's do that. Only team, get ready, sir. Cinema is going to start. Very good. Rajesh Garu, look at my screen. There is a one file. File name is called as a text file. If you wanted to load the file in a Python, there is a one function which is so called as a open function. Where we covered? Pickling. In machine learning we covered. Very good. Open function calling, why assigning it to variable? Return, that's it. Return actual. Okay. Let me write a code actual. Data equals to open. What is the name of the file? Story underscore చెప్తారా సార్ input.txt data. Yeah, very good. If you closely observe this one, story underscore input.txt. చెప్పండి సార్, what is that? Story underscore in, yeah, it is giving one object actually. But who need this object? I need a data, Daniel. Then what we need to do, think like the result. Can I make it this is object? It's okay. Then object dot read method. What method? Read method. Then you will get a data. You will get what exactly? Data. Now look at the result. Wow. Very good, sir. Seriously, very good. We may not create such a big string, but what we can do, you can feed. Let me tell you, go to Amazon. You can copy all reviews, copy in file, load the file, start processing. Right? Yeah. Did you understand? I have a question. What is the open function? What is the read method? Nice. I just wanted to know length of the text actually. I just want to know, sir, string data type. I wanted to know length of the text actually. What is the length? Total how many characters, Daniel? Yeah, very good. 678 characters. 678 characters actually. Whenever you are giving this kind of paragraph to the chat GPT first it will touch total number of characters including space. It will apply tokenization, word tokenization. Yeah, okay. Move on to the next. Very good, man. What I'm doing, any idea? Chapter, ఏం చేస్తాను? Come on. Sentence tokenization. What we're doing? Sentence token. Let's do that. Did I miss anything? Oh, thank you, sir. Wow, good, man. It is applied sentence tokenization. What tokenization? Sentence tokenization. If you are printing all these sentences, if you want, you can print actually all sentences you will get, and even check the length also. You will get an idea. చెప్పండి సార్. Yeah, yeah. 9 sentences. It is giving list actually. It is giving what exactly? List. Sentence tokenization, where are all dot is available, it will just try to handling. Very nice. We done sentence tokenization. Can I move on? Yeah, good. Next topic. You need to apply. This is the actual cinema. Here many things it will come outside actually. Can you please walk through? All right. So let me just try to capture this example. Word tokenization. Let us apply word tokenization. Right? Let us apply this. Yeah, good. Let us just try to apply here word tokenization. Chapter sir here instead of sentences. Words. Yeah, you can just try to print words and check the words length actually. Very good, man. 145. Even dot also it is considered like a word actually. Very good. Once upon a time there was a old mother, blah 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 blah. You understand, I guess, right? We applied word tokenization. Finding the word frequency. This is important. During interview also they will ask actually. Now here, you have to understand the word frequency. Once how many times it came, upon how many times came, how many times came. If any word repeated more number of times, you have to be focus actually. You have to be little focus. Go to the politicians. If they targeted anything, they will keep on talk the same thing actually. They will use the same word. Sir, there is a development. There is a development. Where is the development actually? I'm sorry. Are you with me or not, sir? They will use the development word actually. Okay. Okay, good. Now, any idea what is frequentist? No, very good, man. You guys are very became strong in Python actually. Let us just try to capture this one frequency distribution. Yeah, you need to create an object, and by using that object, you need to call a method. Method name is a most underscore common. You do one thing. Top 10 words, where is a more frequency? Filter that word actually. Indirectly, you're asking. I'm repeating again. Top 10 words, where is a more frequency? Get that words actually. I will show you. Hold on. I will explain. You will get an idea. Okay. Let us run the code actually. All words also, if you want, you can capture actually. That's still okay. Sir, in the given context, dot how many times came? Do you want to provide 20? Let's provide 20. List of tuples combination we are getting. Daniel, dot 9 times Daniel. Okay. And how many times? Chapan sir. Little how many? 5. How many? These are all word frequency. What frequency? Are you clear? But I have a question for you. Is there any use of 9 times dot actually? Do you think if anything is more number of repeated, is it important actually? First of all, dot is not much important. Not much important actually in a text extraction. What is and? Stop word, please. What is and actually? Is stop word is important? No. What is little? Not a stop word important. Sir, I need a response. Okay, good. Any idea? Do you want it to? I need to explain the code actually. Importing a class, creating an object, calling a method. If you are giving 20 tuples you will get. Tuple number 1, tuple number 2, tuple number 3. Indirectly you are asking the combination actually. All words combination. Online team, are you clear till now? We are trying to identifying word frequency. We are trying to identifying word frequency. That's what you need to be understand, please. Okay, move on to the next. Notice that the most used words are punctuations. Okay, punctuation marks and stop words. We will have to remove such words to analyze the actual text actually. We already learned till now, but we'll do one thing. Let us create a plot. Very good, sir. Let us create a plot. On x-axis, what I'm taking, the word dot, second word and, third word little. Sorry. If you closely observe here, and I wanted to plot how many times? 9 times. Very good. And how many times actually? Chapan sir? 8 times. Very good. Little. How many times? 5 times. We are trying to plotting this. How many times actually? 5 times. Can we plot? We can plot. Word frequency we can plot actually. How to plot, by using matplotlib. By using what exactly? Matplotlib. Let us just try to reread this example. First of all, importing the required libraries. Please understand any question. I'm happy to help you. Load the file. Read the data. Apply word tokenization. Get the word frequency. Inside of this object, there is a method. Method name is called as a plot. Very good. Then you need to call plt.show. Ultimately, we need to call, no doubt in that. Plot, it will create line chart. Nice. Very good. Word frequency we are plotting, sir. Indirectly, Daniel, here there are more, these words are very used actually, but let me tell you, even while I'm talking with you, dot I'm not using. Dot is not much important. And is a stop word. And is what? We have to, if it is a stop word, we have to filter actually. Okay, little, important, important. A means stop word. Was stop word. Pick, important. Pick discussion actually, important. Yeah, let's capture this. In the above graph, notice that the period symbol, I mean to say dot, is used in 9 times in our text. Analytically speaking, punctuation marks are not that much important in NLP. Therefore, in the next step, we are going to remove such punctuations actually. Nice. Okay. Fine then. Here, there are many ways to filter actually. You can go for NLP technique, but I'm going for pure raw technique actually. What is that raw technique, First of all, what I'm doing is, this words is a list of words. I'm preparing words with no punctuation. I'm preparing empty list. I wanted to filter each and every word actually. Then W means the string. In string, there is a one method which is so called as is alpha. What is the method name? Can I tell you? You do one thing. A equals to hello. There is a method. A dot is alpha. Is it alpha? Indirectly. Is it alpha? There is a method. If it is alphabet, sir, it returns true. Chaptara, it returns true. If it is not a alphabet, it returns false. That's what we are doing. We are doing filtering. We are doing simple. Daniel, where you covered this example? Did I share string practice example? There I covered actually. There I covered. Okay, good, good. Now, I'm sorry. Online team, are you sleeping? చెప్పండి సార్, నిద్రపోతున్నారా? సుప్రియ గారు, నో. థ్యాంక్ యూ. వాట్ అబౌట్ అదర్స్? Shravan Kumar, just I'm asking. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's move on. Let's move on. I hope you guys are following nicely. I hope I didn't disturb. Let's move on. As usual, you can just have to come here, sir. Importing the libraries, loading the file, getting the data. You can just have to get the data. I need your help. This whole step is called as a, yeah. Daniel, what exactly you are trying to doing? What exactly I'm doing, sir? What exactly I'm doing, I am planning to create a one empty list. Okay. I'm planning to create one what exactly? Empty list. Empty list. Good. If it is word, I wanted to filter. This one I wanted to store instead of this one. Upon I wanted to store. Is a I wanted to store. Time wanted to store like this, like this, like this. Now, yeah. Can you talk with me? What is this one? Dot. I don't want man. Either it is a dot or a comma symbol or any hyphen symbol. Any one I don't want actually. If it is not alphabet, I want to filter. If it is not alphabet, I want to filter. That's what I'm doing actually. Now, first step, create empty list. Create empty list. That's what we're doing actually. You can use list combination also. Create empty list. We have created empty list. Then learn how to filter the words, learn how to filter the words. We are filtering the words. Then here apply condition. Apply what exactly? Condition. That condition would be if word is alpha. If it is alpha, then only you can take this one, add into the list. Do you think add actually? Very good, boss. Nice practice. Append actually. And here what I need to add, sir? W I need to add actually. That to apply lowercase, a kind of some, yeah, apply lowercase. Unique case actually. Why? Because stop words, later I'm planning to compare stop words. Stop words all are lowercase. Follow unique case actually. Now print off. Can I do one thing? Let us just to print words. Let us just to print words with no punctuations. Words with what exactly mean? No punctuations. Let us just to print both actually. Let us try this one. Run this example. Understand this. Excellent, man. Once upon a time, so and so, so and so. In a second line here, dot symbol. But in a second line here, first of all, no dot symbol after them actually. This is the confirmation. All punctuations, period symbol, we have deleted. Are you clear? Nice. By using simply one method. Method name is called as is alpha. Okay. Can I tell you? Here you can apply list comprehension also. Here you can apply list comprehension. Can I write that code? Can I write that code actually? Okay. A code రాయమంటారా? P1, P2, P3. This complete code here you need to write. P2. That's it. This is P3. That's it. This is P1. That's it. Dot lawyer. How simple it is. Let's delete this all. If you want, you can comment. Cinema is over actually. Now I need a response from you. Result. Where are all for if condition, go to the list comprehension. If you are looking for result as a list actually. Yeah, best example. Okay. Sir, మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా? Can I get a response from you? We are removing dot symbol. What symbol? Dot symbol. You can say period symbol also, but that's okay. Okay. Move to the next one. Yeah. So with punctuation symbol, how many words? Without punctuation symbol, how many words? Punctuation symbols, how many? According to the diagram? 9. Chappan sir. Yeah, please. Madam, 9 actually. Then we deleted. What exactly mean? Means I mean to say we are cleaning the text. We are cleaning the text. Cleaning the text. We done this. Next step. Now let us plot actually. After cleaning the word, let us plot. Who stands in the second position? Chappan? And. Understand? And actually. Can we do this? How simple it is, sir? You can go for. You can go for. We can modify example. All right, word tokenization, and you can just have to go for this word frequency. Any idea what I'm doing? After we have deleted the dot symbols, let us plot. Understand? We done these are all. This one should be a result. At last, wow. Now you tell me what is the next step. Very good. What is the next one? That's it. There is a process. There is a process. Allah miru one by one elali. Did you notice here O is capital letter? O is why? During processing we applied lower. Lower, sir. Lower. Yeah, good. Somebody is asking, do we have a class tomorrow? Any class tomorrow? We have a class, sir. I'm sorry. We have a class. Next Saturday? Sure, sir. Promise means promise. That's it, actually. I will not take, sir. I will not take. Hey, sir. I wanted to tell you, I do have a family. Frankly speaking, sometimes I used to get some counter dialects from my families. They will tell you can't spend time with family. Yeah, not every time. Sometimes, if they feel frustrated, they will tell. But almost they will cooperate with me. That's what. Especially second Saturday, work I will be very far actually. And one more, maybe I told or not. Recently, one of my best friend he started AI startup company. A startup, a small company. I'm supporting him. So lot of work actually, back to back. Four batches I'm handling, but very soon I'm planning to. I may not handle four. Only two batches. Maybe morning one, evening one. That's it actually. Evening also I may not give guarantee. Why? Because office work is more nowadays. I am observing. Very soon I may take only one batch actually. But you guys are lucky. Maybe fine. Let me continue. Notice that we will still have many words that we are not much that much. I mean, we are not. Those are all. Notice that we still have many words that are not very useful to do the analysis. Our text file. What are those words actually? Stop words. So next two we need to remove. Uh, it means exactly stop words. Daniel, how to filter? Yeah, stop words. You know the scenario. Are you with me? Stop words. To filter that stop word, which one I need to use? Either result I need to use or words I need to use. Chappan sir? Result. Why? Because yeah, already filtered, right? On top of that, you need to apply stop words. If you applied here, what happened? Dots will come again. Filter data actually. Filter data. Okay. Good, good. We are good to go. This one I will continue tomorrow, sir. I'm getting one call actually. I need to pick that. We done today's session. I will continue tomorrow. Which one, sir? Regular expression PDF? Oh, you guys need to remind me by texting. You have my number? You can text me, sir. Why? Because that is in my personal laptop. It is not, this is the Naresh Shetty laptop. I may not copy all my data here actually. You can text me your batch timings and these are all. Till midnight 11, 12, sometimes 12:31, I will be wake up only. You can just text me. Technical discussion, sir. Almost today, we went with really nice discussion. Please ensure that your practice really matters. Thank you. Please, you take care and please, happy learning. I hope you are enjoying journey with us actually.